Hey there, East Tennessee. Hope you've been enjoying your Wednesday, although it's been a bit of a chilly one. Temperatures staying in the 40s for much of the morning hours and highs only getting into the middle 40s this afternoon. Now, it has been a bit of a gloomy day with that dense cloud cover, but it is going to lighten up and spread out a bit as we get into the afternoon. We should get a couple more peaks of the sun before it starts to go down. But once it does go down, temperatures are dropping aggressively along with it. You see, at freezing by 2 a.m. and lows tonight going to be getting down into the mid to upper 20s. So definitely make sure you are bundling up the pets, the plants, the pipes, and the people. Make sure you're protecting everything. Bring everybody inside so we can all stay warm as we get through the night. But here's a look at your satellite radar. We're seeing calming conditions by this point. Generally still looking at a couple of snow showers making their way in from the north. You see that here in Kentucky, Virginia, a lot of our higher elevations in northern counties, and of course, as we get into the mountains as well. However, the winter weather advisory actually ended a little bit earlier than it was originally forecast. I'll take you into the regional view though to show you the entire breadth of this system as it makes its way from northern parts of the country down towards East Tennessee. You're seeing similar snow showers by Columbus, Ohio, Pennsylvania, even trying to push their way into Maryland. But over the coming days, we've got high pressure that's in the southern plains right now over Arkansas. That's going to move all of that out of the way. So Thursday is actually going to be a pretty clear and beautiful day, although temperature is going to be sitting right around average in those 50s. Friday going to be a bit of a partly cloudy day, but you can see this huge cloud deck that's forming in the middle of the country. There's going to be some rainfall that comes along with this that could really do some work. Now, as you look over the next 3 days, looks like this is updated to take it another 12 hours or so. We're still not really expecting much of the rainfall. What you're seeing is maybe those couple of snow showers that we were expecting, maybe some of the rain that we'll see as we get into your late Saturday night, because again, the system's going to be coming from the west. We take it to the next 7 days and we see the full breadth of that system. Rainfall totals in the state of Tennessee getting upwards of 2 inches in western middle parts of the plateau. Looks like parts of upper East Tennessee could be a little bit lighter, around an inch and some change. But this is good stuff, but it could also cause some flooding risks. We are looking at that for both your Saturday and your Sunday. I'll show you why. We see this frontal boundary that comes along and moves its way in from the west, really taking over western and middle Tennessee for much of your Saturday. So if you're heading in that direction, definitely be prepared for it. Then we see impacts here in East Tennessee as we hit your Saturday night. That frontal boundary going to be passing during the overnight hours. You see some of that heavier rainfall behind it as we hit your Sunday morning, and maybe even some snow, some flurries as we get later into your midday Sunday. At least that's what this model wants to point towards. Now we are going to see some cooler temperatures, especially in higher elevations, so it could be possible. It's definitely something that we are going to be keeping an eye on. But in the meantime, again, very nice conditions. Lots of sunshine, average temperatures on your Thursday, bit warm on your Friday, warmest day of the week on your Saturday, then that rainfall and maybe even snowfall for the entirety of your Sunday, cooler temperatures as we hit the week beyond.